Vlog overtake! Day 2 ng komiserye at wala pa ring baterya si TZ. Makikisakay muna tayo at kailangan nating umattend ng school activities. First day din ng panagbenga at sabahan nyo kaming bisitahin ang landscape competition. Start natin ng araw kasama ang mga bulinggit at si Mami. Sabay muna kami kay Kuya Francis. Kinapalan muna namin ang pes para di malate. Kapal Muksyon, mahabang pila kaya maraming thank you sa'yo Kuya Francis. Di na nagmamadali yorn, pinagdiaper ko na para sure. Say hello to my friend, carrot-colored happy face mountain muscleman. Pinsan ni Barrelman. Dito pala tayo sa dating ruta, upper session route pa rin. Tapos diretsyong cathedral papuntang school. Dito na pala kami sa school. Wala naman kaming ginagawa kaya nood muna tayo. Todo effort ang mga kids at nakakatuwa naman silang pagmasdan. Ang pagkakaalala ko, ito yung first time namin umattend ng ganitong klaseng activity since pandemic. Buti na lang tapos na ang pandemic at si Sean lang palang pinag-costume namin today. Di ko na napicturean yung costume ni Bulinggit. Pero ang gusto niya daw is yung shepherd costume. Bye-bye muna Bulinggit. See you later. Pag normal na araw at may sasakyan, sure ako diretso na kaming bahay. Pero okay na rin yung ganito. May time kami kahit ilang oras lang para sa aming dalawa. Kilig ka manan. Huwag ka nga. Medyo pamilyar yung lokasyon, no? Welcome to the wonderful world of Chongsan Supermart. Deke naman. Di na ako pumasok. Bili lang kami ng konting maiinom, pagkain, at diretso na tayo ng Melvin Jones. Outfit check! Saktong pambahay lang. At si Mami kahit saan, lagi nakaporma yan. Dito pala ginaganap every year ang landscape competition. Masyado kasi silang marami pero para mapadali ang buhay ninyo, i-judge natin sila. Lagyan ko ng konting description in English. Tapos kayo na bahala sa iba. Contestant number 1. The landscape unfolded like a living creature adorned in kaleidoscope world and dancing like the gentle breeze. In short, maganda yung asawa ko and yung background. Contestant number 2. A quilt of blossoming blanketed the earth, creating a mesmerizing tapestry of the nature's artistry. In short, nagustuhan ko yung bahay kubo. Contestant number 3. Rows of tulips stood at attention, their petals stretching like the rower towards the sun in the hues of the red and pink and orange rainbow. In short, nainitan na yung asawa ko at gusto ko yung mga flowers. Contestant number 4. Delicate daisies nodded in agreement with the Kalachuchi with their white crowns of the king providing serene contrast like the palette town around them. In short, nagustuhan ko yung fountain at saka yung mga bamboos na up and down. Contestant number 5. The bees and butterflies like the thorn around the fitted room with the blossoming to one another, adding to rhythm and the tranquil landscape. In short, maganda pa rin yung asawa ko at nagustuhan ko yung mga thorn na lumalabas sa ground. Contestant number 6. Each flower seemed to hold a secret door that burst like a frozen in Anna and Elsa in the entire garden that whispers like the season past of the promise yet to come and another one. In short, nagustuhan ko yung may picnic ground sa loob and then yung fountain. Contestant number 7. Amidst the floral tapestry of the lavender bushes that delicately releasing the fragrance of the earth and hung in the air like a gentle kiss of an angel. In Tagalog, mabango siya talaga nung nandun kami, promise. Contestant number 8. Soft petals invited finger toes to trace the delicate curves of the whole wide world, and the leaves and the plants with velvety lamb ears offered a different texture altogether now. So in short, ito na yung last at maganda naman silang lahat. Nahirapan talaga kami sa pagja-judge ni Mami. Lahat ng mga landscapes ay unique. At kung may garden lang ako, malamang isa sa mga ito ang setup ng garden ko. And dito ko na rin tatapusin ang vlog. Abangan ng part 2 ng aming Panagbenga Vlogs. Happy Panagbenga! Bye vlog! See you on my guys next!